Hello, today we will guide you through how to adjust exposure in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is launched, you'll be ready to work with your footage. If you already have your project in mind, this is where the editing process begins. Exposure is one of the key settings that affects how bright or dark your video appears. So making this adjustment can really help improve the overall look of your clip. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. This places your footage into the editing workspace so you can begin making changes directly to the clip. Make sure the video is properly selected in the timeline before moving on, since CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. If nothing seems to change later, it usually means the clip wasn't selected first. After that, look to the top right of the screen and click on Adjust. This section contains several tools for improving the visual appearance of your video, including brightness-related controls, contrast, saturation, and more. The Adjust panel is where you'll find the exposure setting we need for this task. Once you're in the Adjust section, scroll down until you find Exposure. Depending on your screen size or version of the app, you may need to move through the settings a little to locate it. Take your time here because CapCut groups multiple image controls together, and exposure may not be visible immediately without scrolling. When you find exposure, drag the slider to the right or to the left to adjust it. Moving it to the right increases exposure, which makes the video appear brighter. Moving it to the left decreases exposure, which makes the video darker. This is useful if your footage looks underexposed and too dim, or overexposed and too bright. As you drag the slider, watch the preview window carefully so you can see the effect in real time. Try making small adjustments instead of extreme ones, since subtle changes usually create a more natural result. The goal is to improve visibility and balance without making the image look washed out or overly dark. If your video includes people, objects, or scenery, keeping details visible in both bright and dark areas can help the final edit look cleaner and more professional. And that's all it takes to adjust exposure in CapCut. Once you're happy with how your clip looks, you can continue editing the rest of your project with a better balanced image.